If you want to know why this tripod is better than a selfie stick, stay tuned and find out. Welcome back guys, my name is Gregory, and if you want to know how to buy cool tech and save money, subscribe down below to not miss anything in the future. Doesn't matter if you're starting a YouTube channel, a vlog, or just want to take great pictures, I'll show you why this tripod is better than any selfie stick and why it's so worth the price you won't believe how cheap it is. So the first reason why this is better than the selfie stick, it replaces this tripod. You can turn in a selfie stick. You combine it into 3 legs, you plug in your phone, you extend your arm, doesn't matter if you're short or long, and look at that, you got your own selfie stick. So you're probably wondering, how do I take a picture? There's no button on here like a selfie stick. Well, here it is. With the tripod comes a Bluetooth button that works both for Android and iOS. And all you do is you extend your arm, you click on this button, and you take a picture. And there it is. You got that perfect picture for that Instagram post. So here's a couple other cool things about this tripod. Disregarding the fact that you can bend it any ways, which I'll show you later, you can put a camera, a regular camera on this, and you can even put a GoPro on this, and it comes with an attachment that is right here. You substitute it for this right here and you can put a GoPro on. So it is very universal. You can put a smartphone on, you can put a GoPro on, and you can also put a regular old school camera on there. So for a price of under just $20, you're getting all of this. And let me show you what I mean by it's flexible and you can bend it in any way and put it anywhere you want. So I'm currently not outside, so I can't show you how this will go on a tree branch or anything that's outdoors, but let me show you how flexible this is. You can bend it in any way, bend it like an octopus, bend it any way you want. And if you want to take a picture outdoors or anywhere inside, you take anything that you can wrap around, you put it on, wrap it around the legs, it'll hold on, it'll bend in every possible way. Then you prop your camera up in the same direction that you want, and then you take your camera and you plug it into the pod. And as a last step resort, when you have to take a camera, you take this remote control and you push it on, click it, and then you get that selfie picture that you always wanted. If you're considering buying this tripod, I'll put the link down below. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more things to come. And if you want to know how you can make money, check out this video on the right. See you guys. Have a great day.